Hey, Debbie.
Hey, Ryder.
Thanks a lot for meeting today to chat about subsea tensioning in the offshore market. Can you start by introducing yourself?
Yes, I'm Debbie Jackson. I am the rentals manager for INTEGRA, and I've been here for 17 years, but I've been in the bolting industry for over 20.
That's amazing. So we're definitely chatting with the right person about this. And to introduce myself, my name is Ryder Britton. I've been with INTEGRA for 9 years, and I'm our manager of technology. So to start with, Debbie, can you give us a little history of how long subsea tensioning has been used in the industry?
Yes, it's been around for over 30 years. The original subsea tensioner was designed more on the top side tensioner, so it has a lower pressure for what we're used to now. It had a solid reaction nut, and I can actually show you one if you want to see it.
Yeah, that'd be great, please.
So this was what our original ones look like. As you can see, it's a little smaller in height compared to the others. It doesn't go up to as much kips. We use a solid reaction nut on the top rather than the quick release split nut we used to, and it only has a single port. So a little bit different to what we normally see now.
So what we've seen for the past 20 odd years has been our SeaStallion Subsea tensioner. Is that right?
That's right. So this is moving on. This is what our SeaStallion Subsea tensioner looks like right now. As you can see, there's a lot of differences between it. We have a dual port, which eliminates the need for the T-blocks and extra parts that can easily be lost. It has a piston overstroke indicator in there, so it allows the tool to reach the maximum stroke without overstroking the ram and losing pressure. But the main difference is the introduction of the quick split reaction nut. So this is a nut that would open and close with a touch of a button, speeding up the installation for the diver, as there was no need to wind down that solid nut down to the stud. This simply slips down the stud and then locks in place. So that was the major introduction for the SeaStallion over 20 years ago.
And then one of the main reasons we're getting together today is to talk about the introduction of our next series of SeaStallions, the SeaStallion HP series. So can you tell us a bit about that?
Sure. So the original SeaStallion, what we just looked at, that was designed around ASME and ANSI flanges, which has a requirement of tightening a flange to 50% of yield of the stud. The industry is constantly looking for improvements for sealing systems that improve on installation, leak-free performances, and longer seal life. So we now see new specifications for tightening from API and the introduction of compact flanges into the subsea market. As part of INTEGRA's mission, as you know, is to continuously grow and develop in the market by introducing new products to the industry, which is safer, faster, and better. And we felt like with the new changes that's happening in the subsea market, we need to revamp our original design of the subsea tensioner and come out with a new SeaStallion HP tensioner.
And what are some of the main technical changes that have been made from the original SeaStallion to the HP series?
So the HP series has kept some of the original design features that the divers liked in the original SeaStallion. They have this, we use the same quick split reaction nut, and we have the extended piston stroke indicator, so you can tension numerous flanges without retracting the ram. But what we have done is increase the ram area for allowing a higher load capacity of 172 kips compared to the standard 124 kips. So this higher pressure area results in a lower applied hydraulic pressure, meaning you're not taking the tool to the max to achieve the required 73% of yield. It's also stainless steel, so it's easier to keep clean and more durable for those long-term offshore subsea projects. And we've actually have thicker seals in there too, which means an increase in reliability, less chances of the seals blowing and needing a replacement on the job. And if you can see a little, I'll hold this back up for you guys. But if you can see, the bridge is now angled and taller, allowing for the same tool to be used on ANSI, API, and compact flanges.
Well, that's amazing. Thanks for going through all the technical changes. If you were to summarize the changes in the SeaStallion HP series, in a couple of sentences, what would you say?
So the new SeaStallion HP has been designed to be safer, better, and faster than any of the subsea tensioners in the market now. It's the smallest in design with the highest load capacity. So it truly is a workhorse for those long subsea projects.
Great. And if someone wants to get in touch with you directly or anyone on our team, what's the best way to do that?
Sure, they can give us a call here at 713-920-2400, and we open 24 hours. So give us a call and we'll have these out and on your project as quickly as possible.
Well, great. Thanks again for your time today, Debbie.
No problem. Thanks, Ryder.